Hi, it's Keith. I'm going to be fixing a fan on the computer today. Check this out. Listen to this. Hopefully you can hear this. Okay, so that's the fan in that laptop. I've already taken it apart and cleaned it. And I guess, it's still a problem. So now I'm going to take it apart and replace the fan. I got a replacement fan right here. Hopefully this is the right one. Kind of looks like it. This thing's supposed to be shutting down. Why is it not shutting down? Anyway, I gotta shut it down, and I'll take it apart. I'll show you how I take it apart. All right, here's the laptop. The thing I bought off Amazon was a new fan. Hopefully it's the right one. And it comes with these two tools. I don't know about these tools. Definitely not using this tiny little screwdriver. Really? So I have a real screwdriver right here. There's a bunch of screws you have to take off here. Actually, I need this pad. Okay. Unscrew all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 screws. I take this little pry tool and just pry it. Probably the only thing that I'll use out of that kit, besides the fan. There we go. Once you get a little bit, you just keep prying it. Oh, there we go. That side's off. Oh, and the tool got ruined, so this is going in the garbage after this. Cheap plastic. All right, take that cover off. Put that somewhere. You'll see the fan right here. Kind of looks the same. All right. Jeez. I'm just gonna pry this little connector off. There we go. Lift this up. There we go. And that's it. That's the fan. Take the new one. Let's see if it looks the same. Oh, wow. It's made in China. And it looks very similar. Same connector. Let's see the other side. Yeah, I mean, that looks the same. Except this one probably doesn't have a bad bearing. All right, let's put this in. Let's clean this off here. What this? Let me get the blower real quick. I got my new Fantech blower. I almost blew the screws away. I don't want to do that. I think there's another attachment in here that has... Here it is. More of a fine point. You can get this on Amazon. It's pretty cool. It's a blower and a vacuum. So this side is a vacuum. So if you want to vacuum, bloop, and then it blows out the back. So you want, when you're using it as a blower, you take this off so you get more flow. And you just do it like this. All right, that was fun. Probably maybe tweezers might help. Just trying to line it up. Gosh. Another screwdriver that's stronger. It doesn't bend when you push it. So I'm just going on either end of the connector and working it in. I think that's good. Okay. Now these little screws. Oh, this has to go like this. Okay. I had to push this end in. Like there's a little vent here. I don't know what that does. Goes over here and cools off. Okay. And just take this cover. From there. Snap it down. There we go. Nope. There. Screw these screws down. Okay, let's see. Turn it back on. Oh, the fan's going on. Can't hear it. I don't hear the fan going on now. I would think I would hear a little bit of something. I don't hear anything. All right, the computer's on. I don't hear anything. I should have not put the cover on. So there's one lesson learned. Check the fan before you put the cover back on. Why is it not moving? The fan spins freely. I can't believe it's not hot enough. I think it is. I don't know, let's see what happens. Alright, we're good. Yeah, hear it. Fan spinning now. I guess it's got to get to a certain temperature, or the computer's on now, so I don't know. I mean, it's, I'm logged in. It's really, holy cow. It's really hot right here. It's burning. 1 second. Okay, let's see. 62 here. Let's see what we got on the Right here is where it's hot. 100? 119, 124? I don't know how hot these are supposed to get. Where else? Let's see. 120. 132. How about the battery? Battery's not hot. 80 something. One 134. 138. Whatever that is right there. Super hot. Memory chips. Fan's going. I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna put the cover back on. I just gotta do those screws. We'll see. I guess it's fixed. There's no more noise coming out of the fan, so I know that, and it's spinning. Maybe that's a normal temperature. I've never checked temperature before, so I don't know. Have anything to compare it to. Anyway, thanks a lot. Hopefully, this helps somebody out if they were wondering how to change this fan out on their Dell. What is this thing? It's a Latitude 7400. Okay. See you next video. Bye.